Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger. Today we will learn how to send text, contacts for someone, image and so on. Let me show you how can we do that. First go to Signal app icon. Select contact which you want to send message. Press here, for example, hello. Then press here. If you want to send something else, just press on plus icon. Here you can send contact by pressing on contact. Select contact person and then now contact already sent. Press again on plus. If you want to send file, just press on file. Select the file and press here. Now file sent. If you want to send sticker or GIF, press here. Press on stickers. Select this one, for example. Then press here. Sticker sent. If you want to send image from gallery, just press on plus icon. Click on gallery. Select image which you want to send, like this. And press here. Press again here. Now image already sent. If you want to remove all this data, just press on the image or sticker which you want, like this. And press on this icon. You can delete it for you or delete for everyone. It will be removed. That's it. If this is your first time watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.